about Facebook monetization, and I'm going to make it snappy in 5 to 6 minutes. So this is high on demand. So before you get into creating content, I want you to understand that people will come for you. And why are you doing that? Why are you posting that? You're not supposed to do this. You are in your office, but they don't understand. Do what makes you comfortable, what makes you happy. They used to say, do create, carve your own niche. Now is do what makes you happy, right? Do what makes you happy, especially in the case of Nigeria. The making money is so hard in Nigeria. People do it in Nigeria, most of them for money. People do it in this part of the world because they are passionate about that, and the money there. You can write your own paycheck. If you want to make $50 a month, it's entirely up to you. 100, 200, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. Yes, you heard me right. 10,000 and above. You can collect it in this social media. Even some people in Nigeria are staying in Nigeria and collecting $10,000 to $20,000 on social media. So let's talk about Facebook. The first thing you need to understand is that you have to be the original content creator. Do not copy people's video and post on your page. No, but before last year, it was that you have to create a Facebook page to get monetized. But now, the old Facebook profile that you have, you see those ones that your friends follow you, you can convert that. Your friends will become your followers. Once you get up to 1,000 people, you are qualified for stars. Your people that like you will watch your videos and donate to you. It doesn't have anything to do with Facebook money. It is your friend that are giving you stars. $1, 10, 20, 50, whatever, 1,000, they can give you stars. The next one is bonus. When you keep creating original content, posting nice pictures, crispy pictures, you will be making money from your pictures. Why do you think that a lot of celebrities post professional pictures, crispy pictures? You will get money from posting original pictures of yourself and some of the content. It's called bonus. Number two is subscription. People can decide to subscribe to your page. It is you that will set how much people will use for subscription. You can decide to set $1, $5, $10, 20, whatever. Again, your followers will give you that money because they love you. The next one is ads on Reel. This is where Facebook will pay you if you keep creating original content on your Reels. A lot of people are mostly carried away when they're doing reels. They will be dancing. No, it is, you're not the owner of that music. You will get copyright, and the money, even if you don't get copyright, if it's monetized, the money goes to the owner, to the artist that has that music. So start creating original content on your reels. Once you get to 5,000 followers, it is by invite. Facebook will invite you. They will invite you, send you an email, say you are qualified for Reels. They will start placing ads on their Reels. The next one is in-stream ads, like videos that are more than 1 minute. Once you get to 5,000 followers and you create authentic video, your own videos, Facebook will monetize those videos by placing advertisement on the videos that you do put out there. So get out there, hustle. The hustle is real. How can you not enjoy staying at the comfort of your own home and writing your paycheck? It is something that I wish I knew about 10 years ago. So guys, get out there, create content and make money. Even when you are lying down in the bed, you can be lying down and be making money. You can be pooping and making money. You can be cooking and making money. So, but the thing is that you see, Africans, before we come to realization of most African of what others are doing, it will be too late. So many people come to this part of the world to do 9 to 5. They will do 9 to 5 saute until they come back home, and a lot of them will buy inside their bedroom. My dear, shine your eyes and see what is going on. Use what you're passionate about to make some money out there. There is no age too young or too old to be passionate about something and do some content about what you're passionate. I was talking to somebody, I started in YouTube before coming to Facebook. That when I get to Facebook, I see Oyibo people, 80, 90 years women doing makeup, and you see their views 3 million, 2 million. And age is something that is a barrier for most Africans. That's why a lot of people are in stagnation. They put age. Oh, do you know that even people that in their 40s, they call themselves old, or the society makes them believe that they are old, 40, 50. Do you know you're old? What are you doing? Do you know that your children are grown? Excuse me. When it's time for you to pay your taxes, your property tax, your hydro, your everything, when they come, tell them, oh, because I'm old, I can't. Do something that makes you happy and collect money at the same time. I will leave you guys here. Share your thoughts and your comments down below. Bye for now. Bye, love you.